Hello geeks, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is our third video of Portfolio website playlist. Today we will learn about React Router. React Router DOM. Today we will set up our app.js file with React Router DOM. So let's begin. Firstly, we need to install the React Router DOM. So I need to copy this line of the code and paste it into the terminal. So let's create one more terminal. I'm going to take a command and press enter. Then it will install our all the dependency in package.json. That will I'm going to use in the app.js file for the React Router. We need to check the package.json where the React Router DOM is installed correctly or not, installed or not. So here you can see that React Router DOM is installed with the version number 6.11.2. So go to app.js file. Firstly, we need to import something, some library from the React Router DOM. So I'm going to import something from React, something from React Router DOM. And in the place of something, firstly we need to install import the library browser routes router. Second one is routes, yes, and third one is route. So inside app.js I am going to remove all the previous code and I am going to import use the browser routes. Okay, inside it I am going to use the navbot that I have created in the previous video. Navbot that is going to use in all the pages. So I import above the routes. So I then use the routes. Inside the routes I'm going to inside the route and the route I am firstly the we need to set the index and if this is the index page and the element name is going to import the element and the element name is home. Home page. So I need to import the home pages. Machine import home from dot slash pages slash home slash home. And it can be route can be auto close. So I'm going to remove the redundant code from the it and repeat the same process for all the pages like about, profile pages and contact pages. We need to set the path also. So here I'm going to set the path like path is for the about page it is about and element. So I need to import all the packages. Like I have imported the home pages. I need to import about from dot pages slash about about. Okay. Then I need to import portfolio from slash pages slash portfolio. Lastly, we need to import contact from pages contact. I already installed it, but can remove. So now all the things is set up correctly. Now we need to save the file and let's check the changes. So need to refresh it. Here you can see the navbar is present and with the home screen. As if you type the about, then you can see a navbar with the about page. If you type contact, they can see the navbar with the contact. So we have implemented successfully implemented. So we have successfully implemented React Router DOM. Thank you for the watching. Let's meet in the next video.